Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning Go. I actually thought I would do a live stream and give it some title like Day One of Learning Go till I understand Go or something like that. But whatever, I'm unable to do a live stream because this is the first day of the channel and you need like a 24-hour notice on YT to actually or be able to live stream. It takes like a 24-hour access period. So we're just gonna look through Go and see how it goes. First, let's look at the language definition. One thing I've heard about Go for it's its concurrency capabilities. So Wikipedia says that Go is a high-level general-purpose programming language that is statically typed and compiled. It is known for the simplicity of its syntax and the efficiency of development that it enables by the inclusion of a large standard library, supplying many needs of common projects. It was designed at Google in 2007 by I can't pronounce that, by Robert Robb and Ken Thompson, and publicly announced in November of 2009. It is syntactically similar to C, but also has memory safety. So it's like C with safety, garbage collection, structural typing, and concurrency. It is often referred to as the Golang to avoid ambiguity and because of its former domain name, golang.org, but its proper name is Go, so we'll be calling it Go. And since we're done with that, we could just look at this. Okay, so, huh. Now, this is the tutorial. Get started with Go. This is the bare hello world that we need. So, first, to actually run Go, you need the compiler, which is called Go, I believe. And you could like it's just right here. Download and install steps. Or if you're using like Linux, you could just do sudo apt install golang dash go, and that is actually better. So I've done all this. Asks us to create a directory, go to the directory, and enable dependency tracking. By doing go mod init the directory, and this is like the output. So in a text editor, create a file hello.go in which to write your code and paste the following code in your hello.go file and save the file. So we're gonna, sorry, let's just copy this and then we move into VS Code. Okay, so I already have some stuff here. Let's see if I remember it's package, so package main import fmt func main fmt dot println. Yes, I already took the liberty of installing the Go extension, so we can have stuff like autocomplete. Then I was about to insert the semicolon, but I guess we don't do that here. But look at the VS Code extension for Go. Usually, I guess it will just immediately tell you because VS Code prompted me up to just get the VS Code stuff. So now I'll just do go run because that was the run command we were given. And yeah, oh my god, the rush of your first program all over again with the fantastic Hello Java, which is my name by the way. So basically, what we have here is I actually don't know. So let's get back to the definition. So now let's look at this. So in your text editor, create a file hello.go in which you write your code. We've done that, pasted this, we've done that. And this is your Go code. In this code, you declare a main package main, yes. A package is a way to group functions and it's made up of all the files in the same directory. Okay, import the popular format package, which contains functions for formatting text like this. I wouldn't say it's like console.log. It's more like maybe the format macro or the print line macro of Rust. So including printing to the console. This package is one of the standard library packages you get when you install with Go. So we don't have to do any dependency management for that. So implementing a main function was the last thing we did. So this is a main function. Then we just printed some stuff here with this. The main function executes by default when you run the main package. Okay, when you run the main package, what you're really running is the main function. So as we did go run hello world, ours was hello Jala, but it's quite the same. The go run command is one of the many Go commands you use to get things done with Go. Use the funny command to get a list of other commands. I guess we could do that. Okay, so we could do go help. Let's see. Go help. Oof, wow, that's a lot of stuff. So common Go commands bug, build, clean, doc, env, fix, format, generate, get, install. Okay, I guess this is what we use for installing packages. It's probably the equivalent of npm install. We've got list, we've got mod, we've got walk, we've got run, test, tool, version, vet, a bunch of stuff. I can also get help about specific commands, which is okay. I mean, that's enough info for now. So this is our first Go program. What we did here was we declared. So I wonder how their comments are done. Okay, like JavaScript and Rust. So this is the main package, package. We imported import the fmt module, declared the main function, and here we printed to the console. One thing we can notice is no semicolons, or maybe semicolons are optional because there was no reaction to what I just did. There's supposed to be an error reaction. So I guess you can put semicolons, and I think I would prefer to do that because I'm used to putting semicolons from like JavaScript and Rust. So yes, I will include semicolons in my Go code, but looks like semi or semi dash colons are not compulsory. I don't know if I spelled that right, but yes. Okay. Oof. I just made a mistake. But whatever. You live, you learn. So now let's go back to the Go doc. Okay. Call code in external package. So now this is what we're learning next. We've learned how to write basic Go code. We've learned how their functions are defined. They use the func keyword. We learned how to print stuff to the standard outputs. And now we're moving on to calling code in an external package. So when you need your code to do something that might have been implemented by someone else, you can look for a package that has functions you can use in your code. You make your printed message a little more interesting with the function from an external model. Revisit package.go.dev and search for a codes package. Okay, so we can visit. What did he say we should visit? pkg.go.dev. Go.dev. Let's see. And this we search for quotes, QOT. Quotes. It collects Python strings. Documentation. I don't know what this is supposed to mean. I don't understand, but let's just go back to the tutorial. Okay, on the v1 of the rsciu/code package. Are we in the search results? Okay, this is code v4, so we want code v1. So let's see. Oh, couldn't find it. Wow, the error div did not format. I was not expecting this. Okay, let's see. Let's try what they have here. Okay. I mean, it's still the same thing. I don't understand what I'm looking at. Okay, so let's go back to the tutorial again. In the documentation section under index, notes the list of functions you can call from your model. You use the go function. Under index, note the list of functions you can call from your code. Index, index. Where is the index? Okay, these are the list of functions we can call. We can call the class function, which returns a string, the go function, which returns a string, the hello function, which returns a string, and the opt function, which returns a string. So at the top of this page, you notice the package code is included in the SRCIO code module. Okay, you can use the package.go.dev site to find published modules whose packages have functions you can use in your own code. Packages are published in modules like xrc.io dash quote where others can use them. Modules are improved with new versions over time, and you can build your code to use the improved versions. In your own code, import the rsc.io /code package and add a call to its go function. Code.go. Okay, so we're adding this and this. So I guess we can just copy everything. Control C. Or to be more precise, copy what we need so that I don't have to delete our comments as well. Okay, so we are importing. I think I don't remember, but let's see import. No, that's from import. Yeah, I don't remember. Let's see what we copied. rsc.io /quotes rsc.io rsc.io /quotes. Then we are calling quote.go. Yes, quote.go. Is this a function or is it geo? Nope, it seems to be go. Or what do we have in our clipboard? Okay, quote.go with a capital letter G or an uppercase G. So quote.go, and let's see what this does. So it's a function, so we're calling it. No required module provides, but if we run it, it looks like we'll have an error because it says could not import rsc.io quotes, no required modules provided. Yeah, I think we haven't actually explicitly added it, like doing something like how we do in JavaScript where we could run npm. First, let me clear the terminal. Where we could run npm install a quote. I guess we could do the same thing. Let's see. When we did go help, there was an install command, compile and install packages and dependencies. So I guess we could try using that. So go install rsc, right? / and rsc / quote. Okay, that did not work. Okay, rsc.io / quotes. Okay, rsc.io / quote. Okay, so we do go get. Okay. The install command doesn't do that. The get command adds dependencies to current module and installs them. The install module. Okay, I think the difference is the install command doesn't add them to the dependency list, like the equivalent of maybe cargo.toml, the thermal file of cargo, if you use Rust, or the what's it called? I've forgotten, but that JSON file in npm when you run npm install whatever. So here we use get first, then we use install. But get does the installation and other things. So let's see. Let's It said go get, not go install. RCIO. So go get. Let's see for correct downloading. Oh, yeah, it's doing what we told it to do. Yay. So now if we run it, go run, we should see what it does. Release. Oh, it prints don't communicate by share memory by communicating. I think this has to do with Go's concurrency model, maybe how it uses threads or whatever. But basically, this quotes.go prints don't communicate by sharing memory, share memory by communicating. Oh, I guess that's nice. Now, okay, so let's see the Go doc. Okay, give me a minute, because I'm still not used to this thing. Yes. Okay. And now, yeah, we did all this, and we even went a step further by learning the get and install commands. So I guess the help mode is actually helpful. So to add a new module, the requirement and sums, Go will add the quote module as a requirement, as well as go.sum file for use in authenticating module. Okay, I guess we could have done that with Go mod tidy. Maybe that's why they asked us to um wait, they asked us to do something regarding this. Yes. Here they asked us to set up the dependency management to enable dependency tracking for your code by creating a Go mod file. Run the Go mod init command here. I did that, but I didn't no we didn't read further, so given it's the name of the module your code will be in, the name is the module's module path. Okay? Okay. I guess we are technically correct. Although we didn't use Go mod tidy, we installed it via Go get and the module name. But yeah, it still prints the same thing. Don't communicate by share memory by communicating, which is clever, I guess. Notice that your code calls the Go function, printing a clever message about communication. Yeah, when you run Go multide, it's located and downloaded the rsc.io codes module that contains the package imported by default. It downloaded the latest version 1.5.2, which is nice. All right, so I mean, yeah, that was fun. That was a light introduction to Go, I would say. Let's see what we achieved. Okay, wait, I don't think I was supposed to do that. Tab. Let's see what we achieved. Give me a minute, because, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm freelancing. Okay, sorry about this. Okay, so today we learned about the main package. And if you actually read the tutorial, you would also learn about their dependency tracking via Go mod tidy. Yeah, which is particularly nice. I mean, we can see the Go mod right here. This Go.sum was probably created when we ran this go get rsc.io/quote. So we learned how to import modules that come with Go. I think that come with a standard library. We learned how to import foreign code in Go. We learned the main function, and we learned the print line command, I guess. Yeah, using the format macro. I wonder if they have something like Python's help. Let's see. This is the thing is officially over, so you can go if you want. But I want to try something. Go help. Oh yeah, go help format. Okay, go help. I guess there's no go help format. I guess, but we could read about that somewhere else. Okay, go help FMT, but this is just reformat package sources. Oh no, sorry. Okay, I think my phone reacted. Forget that. Go FMT reformat package sources. Yeah, no, that's not what we're looking for. Yeah, the Go mod is the Go mod file. Um, yeah, I guess that's all for today or for this stream. We're gonna do more Go learning because this was fun. I was not expecting it to be fun. I usually learn code through like books. This is my first time learning it straight out of documentation, so we'll see where this goes. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope the video wasn't too bad. I think I will improve. I pray I will improve. Let's see, Alt tab. Yeah, goodbye. Have a nice day.